Okay, welcome to Pretty Girl. I am going to show you how to make a simple bow. Now, just undo this. Just wait right there. Okay, so you start off with this thing. Go to the end that has this, the two strings. Wait, sorry. Okay, go to the end that has the two strings. Okay. Sorry, just wait 1 minute. It's already been like a minute. Just wait another minute, please. If it takes another minute.
Does you do the cake something? Can I look out something for you? Like this out of packet? Please?
Later. Sorry, I was talking to my sister. She asked me a question. I said later. Okay, so you got the two strings. Then you go like this. So you get the two strings, and then you go like that. Like that. Just like that. And it comes out really pretty. And then you have to tie it with the two strings. If you don't want to untie it, you can take it out like this. And then you can do it again. And that's how you do the bow. And yeah. You have like and subscribe. And please comment how much you liked this. Comment how much you liked it. If you like it not a lot. If you do like it, if you don't like it, just comment me. And subscribe and like. I already said that, didn't I? Wait, I'm trying to make this bow again, so I can show you guys better. Look. The bow. The bow. Yeah, so that's it. The pretty bow. Really pretty. I am married. Mwah. Yeah. Bye.